Hi everyone, welcome to MRC. I'm Alex, and this is my Night Timber X. This is the rat's nest that lives in here to make this thing work, including the lights, but it's daytime now, so I'm not gonna even bother hooking those up. If you have any suggestions for a quick connect system that could handle all the wires of this, I'd really appreciate it. Because I would fly it more, but it's a pain to disconnect these wires. If I could fly it from home, it would be a lot easier, but to fit it in the car I have to take the wing off. So it is what it is, but it's here today. Let's go fly it. Okay, let's try and taxi it. Usually do this. That's good practice. That's another cool feature of this, the reverse thrust. Okay. Runway seems clear. Some flaps. Oop. It's getting a bit squirrely there. So when in doubt, just throttle out, as they say. And yeah, this plane is a bit of a pain to work with. The battery compartment underneath, and it's so cramped. But man, oh man, does it fly. Way beyond my skill. But I'm really happy every time I take it out. Sorry if I'm not talking too much, I'm just focusing on this. Trying a bit of a hover there, but I need more practice, especially in real flight. Actually, when I think about it, what really made me fall in love and want to get this plane was real flight. I flew there and I was just starting with night flying, so that was a big plus. It was just so much fun to throw around in real flight. So that's what really made me want to get it. And also John and Two Brothers RC YouTube channel. That time he had some really great videos with this plane. It was flying off a lake mostly, and man, those were just fantastic videos. He was also one of the guys that made me want one. You can really throw it around if you want to. I think we have a car coming, so let's go on this side. It's getting a bit windy, but not too bad. Can't even tell exactly where the wind is coming from, but I think from my back. Let's put on some flaps and it won't come down. Look at it, it's almost climbing with no power. Let's try that again. Always nervous landing this. Let me turn off the flaps for now. I wanted to do a low, slow pass, maybe even a touch and go. Okay, I'm turning on the flaps now. Still struggling a bit with knife edging. Sun in my eyes. Not good, not good, not good. But yeah, out of all my planes, this is the one to practice knife edging with. This and the UMX version. Okay, I have my screen dark because I set up like that for night flying. I'm not really sure on the timer. I think I have 1 minute left. I didn't really hear the call outs and the car coming, so let's circle again. And the timer's up, but I know I can get a lot more out of this battery using a 2200 4S from CNHL. It's a really, really great pack. Should get more of these. Oh. And the truck coming. Got the telemetry and all the callouts set up, but can't really hear them. Okay, let's bring it in for landing and some flaps. Oop. Ah, God damn it. Tried reversing, but I chipped the prop. Yeah. Sorry, I didn't quite catch the landing in frame, but I thought back at what happened, and what I think I wanted to hit reverse when I saw the plane was heading to the car, but instead of that I hit another switch, and instead of slowing it down, I actually pushed it forward with even more power into the car. Or not. Yeah, I did. Ooh, and I scratched my car. Oh man, yeah, broke the prop. Yeah, I have some pretty decent scratches on here. I can polish them out. Whew, man, that was something. Goes to show these things can be dangerous. So, good thing it was just the car, not my leg. Here's one end of the prop. I've flown this quite a bit of times, and aside from the occasional nose over, no bad incidents. It's just the prop, so cheap and easy fix. And hopefully the car, yeah, there's some dents in there. I don't know if you see them, but man, it had some power. Stupid me. Oh well. Hope you enjoyed the flight, guys. Even if I had this kind of bad ending. Thank you very much for watching. And don't forget to like the video if you enjoyed it. Leave some comments. I'll see you next time. Bye.